In this 1850 how-to video, we will be reviewing how advisors can review their events that their student organizations are registering on 1850. We have used question logic in the event registration process, so when students identify their group, advisors will automatically be notified of the event that is registered. Upon the submission of the event, you will be added to the workflow and you will receive a workflow approval email from Campus Groups. Here, you can review which student submitted the event and for which organization, and their submitted answers. The email includes all questions that are on the event registration, even if they did not pertain to this event exactly. We recommend that you browse through the email and then click the View Workflow button included in the email. If you are already logged in 1850, you will be taken directly to the workflow. If you're not logged in, you'll have to log in using your UD login and 2FA. While in this workflow view, you get a clear picture of the event being registered. You see the students, and then you see the details of the event. We hope advisors are staying in touch with their student organizations, and their organizations are communicating the events that they're hosting. To see more information about the event, click the Open Submission button. This will open the submitted Center for Student Involvement event registration form that the students have filled out. Here you see the event that is registered, time, date, and location of the event. Then, as you scroll, all of the inputted answers that the students have filled out and submitted to the Center for Student Involvement. At this point, advisors should be reviewing the answers, making sure they have a clear understanding of what their organization is registering. As stated earlier, we use question logic within this form. The more complex the event, the greater detail we require. When you've finished reviewing the submitted answers, scroll back to the top and hit the back button to access the workflow page. Within the workflow page, reviewers have many options to communicate with the Center for Student Involvement or the submitter. Here you can click on the message box to directly message the submitter about the event. If you need more clarity or just want to tell them great job, you can do so in the message. If advisors need to start a group chat with all of the approvers, you can use the bottom message box. Here, all approvers will be entered into one message, including the event submitter. Once you have reviewed as advisor, find your name below under the student organization's name and click I approve. If your organization has multiple advisors, all advisors will be added. The Center for Student Involvement only requires one advisor to review and approve their club's activities. Once you, the advisor, has approved, it will send a notification to the Center for Student Involvement where the staff will review and give the final approval for the event. If for some reason you see as the advisor you need to reject or disapprove this organization's event, you can do so by hitting the reject button. This sends a notification to the student and the other approvers that you have denied this event. We encourage you to use the message features to let the student know why their event was rejected. We recommend that advisors access the workflow through their email, just as shown at the beginning of this video. You have another option to access the workflow on 1850 by clicking on the orange button located on the home page of your 1850 portal. Here, you can review all the workflow that you've been added to, and you can keep track of the workflow of all the events that you still need to approve. You can access the workflow page simply by finding it and clicking on the title of the event, or clicking on the View button to the side. This will again pull up the workflow approval page that you can then go in and message and or approve or reject the event. Again, upon approval from the Center for Student Involvement, all events will be added to the organization's portal. Thank you for viewing our training video. If you have any other questions, please feel free to stop by and see us. Have a great day!